Welcome back to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel, your go-to channel for practical knowledge and fitness tips that can transform your body. In today's video, we're focusing on the plank, one of the most powerful exercises for building a strong core. If you've been thinking about adding planks to your daily routine, here are 6 amazing benefits you'll experience over time. 1. Strengthens. Your core planks are a core-centric exercise, activating your abs, obliques, and lower back. By holding this position, you engage all the muscles in your core, helping you develop rock-solid strength. 2. Improves posture. When you do planks regularly, your back muscles get stronger, helping you stand taller and maintain better posture throughout the day. This helps relieve lower back pain and makes daily activities easier. 3. Enhances balance and stability. Planks also improve your balance by strengthening your stabilizer muscles. A stronger core means better coordination, which is crucial for movements in sports or daily tasks. 4. Boosts metabolism. Planking is not just about static strength. Holding this position engages multiple muscle groups, which increases your heart rate and metabolism. Over time, it can help with fat loss and improve your overall fitness level. 5. Reduces risk of injury. A strong core is essential for protecting your body from injury. Planks help stabilize your spine and reduce strain on your lower back, lowering the risk of injuries during workouts or physical activities. 6. Builds mental toughness. Planks are not only a physical challenge, but also a mental one. Holding the position requires focus and determination. Over time, you'll build mental toughness that can translate to other areas of life. So if you're looking for an easy yet effective way to improve your fitness, start doing planks daily. Even just a minute or 2 a day can make a significant difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel for more insights on fitness and well-being. See you in the next video.